Hello everyone, welcome to Scodeen Global. Let's understand how big data works. Big data gives you new insights that open up new opportunities and business models. Getting started involves three key actions. Number 1, integrate. Big data brings together data from many disparate sources and applications. Traditional data integration mechanisms such as extract, transform and load (ETL) generally are not up to the task. It requires new strategies and technologies to analyze big data sets at terabyte or even petabyte scale. During integration, you need to bring in the data, process it, and make sure it's formatted and available in a form that your business analysts can get started with. Number 2, manage. Big data requires storage. Your storage solution can be in the cloud or premises or both. You can store your data in any form you want and bring your desired processing requirements and necessary process engines to those data sets on an on-demand basis. Many people choose their storage solution according to where their data is currently residing. The cloud is gradually getting popularity because it supports your current compute requirements and enables you to spin up resources as needed. Number 3, analyze. Your investment in big data pays off when you analyze and act on your data. Get new clarity with a visual analysis of your varied data sets. Explore the data further to make new discoveries. Share your findings with others. Build data models with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Put your data to work. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.